we highly value your participation, your ideas and your opinions, especially in addressing the most pressing concerns that your sector is facing today.
We recognize your idealism, your enthusiasm, your energy, and the novelty of ideas that can be harnessed to be able to contribute for the development and growth of our province.
Your hands and you do it like this, okay?
Unya, ang pinaka-importante gyud ang among gikampanya kining gitawag og participatory governance. Wala may SK, so walay tingog ang mga kabatan-unan diha sa mga kalungsuran. Gi-encourage gyud namo ang gi-encourage si Governor Davide i-activate gyud ang local youth development office.
May you learn, enjoy, and then you bring back what you've learned to your own communities, to your families, and then to your communities, to your barangays. Teach them. Padayon kamo ang kabatan-unan nagpakabana. Thank you.